I'm very proud for McWane to have donated to this community in an ongoing effort to invest in what I think is going to be truly transformational for this community. I'm Heather Rainwater, Operations Manager with Flange and 401 Department with McWane Ductile Ohio. I have had the privilege of partnering with the County Commissioners on the McWane Riverwalk from its conception. And since we've done the Riverwalk, we're not done. So we've decided to create this pavilion and honor a gentleman, Don Wells, who has given of his time effortlessly to our projects, not only for the community but for McWane, and therefore dedicating this pavilion to him today. This pavilion will be a strong landmark for everyone who comes into this peninsula. This was a green space donated to the county, and I am very grateful for that, because behind us will eventually be a playground, and what better way for people who are enjoying the Riverwalk or the playground to have a shady spot to visit with their friends and family.
So once the Riverwalk was completed, there was additional funding, and this was an added bonus and unexpected. We were able to put that towards this beautiful pavilion, and we're so excited and happy to be able to have this. Our community will utilize it. I can see birthdays, I can see weddings, I can see all kinds of things here.